What's up, guys? This is Jay right here, making a video because today's my birthday. Second, got a new vape right here, Geek vape. I've hit one of these before. I have, but I got birthday money, so I wouldn't have to go to the vape shop to get one of these. Very fancy, huh? Anybody that has vaped off of these before, let me know in the comments on what you think about these. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up because I've been wanting to do a video for my birthday. Open it like this. Come on. Having a hard time, of course. Alrighty. There you go. I wanted to do this video in the car, but can't do that, so I'm doing it out here. See, there it goes. Shoo, shiny. Looks so beautiful. And I'm guessing it shows you all the flavors right here too. Seems like it. That's neat. I've been vaping for 2 years, so just don't judge me how I take a hit off of this. Just don't. This is just a review on the Geek vapes. Because this is my old one. It's completely just... Sometimes the LED light doesn't even work much. Sometimes the switch right here doesn't even work at all. There's no screw to it, of course, as you can see. Oh, there's one up there, you know. There's one screw. You can't really see it, but it still works. Coil needs to be changed out, of course. Last time I changed the coils back in December 2023. So, I don't want to make this video too long, so just want to get this video done, show the review of this vape, and then post it. So beautiful, god damn it. Battery pulse mode, e-liquid. Flavors, of course. Grape, blow, pop, orange, cream, cycle, crazy melon, blueberry, watermelon, berry, bliss, sour apple, blow pop, OMG blow pop, grape, lemon, and oh, so I guess they have more flavors, or is it just... Oh, okay, I didn't know they had more. I thought it was just on this section right here, but there's more. Like I said, I'm new to the Geek vapes, so that's pretty neat. This one only costs like $20 where I got it from. Sorry, I came up saying silly and beautiful because it is. I can already smell it. So I know I have to like take that out, put it right there. How do I work this? Close. I know it has Type-C and whatever this is. Like I said, I'm new to this, so I saw my note. This Scorpio, blue, mint. I was about to say melon. May the pulse be with you. And yes, I also just got a haircut. Not to sorry, I forgot to mention about that, but I did get a haircut. Got it trimmed right here as well. Feel better. But let's go ahead and so I'm guessing full 3 holes, uncovered. It shows the rocket right there. I'm guessing this is the juice and the power as well right there. Oh yeah, it says some poles right there, and then close on the other side. Same thing. But hold up, nope, not that. Oh, it shows on both ends. Oh, never mind. That's just pretty much just to turn off. Oh, that's neat. So I'm guessing the closed one right there, you just turn it off, shuts down the screen. That's pretty neat, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a head from these 2 holes. Not literally from the bottom, but you know what I mean. Hell yeah. That tasted really good. That's pretty smooth. Yeah, I'm speechless, but that's pretty smooth. I fucking love these. I really do. But anyways, I will rate this probably like 9 out of 10. Should I just rate it 10 out of 10? I'll just do 9 out of 10. But yeah, it looks good. Taste, flavor, it's all good. Let's take all 3 holes out, uncover. I don't know how this is gonna be. Definitely not trying to get buzzed. Not trying to. But I would say these vapes right here are pretty much the best ones. I wanted to get this because for one, what was it? I want to get one of these because I don't want to have to deal with the coil, having to change it so much. And not only that, the juice parts, like you have to pay money for the juice to pour it in here. And also to tank, as well as you guys can see. I got this vape back in November last year, and it's just, this is a good vape. It is $64 at the vape shop. But there's a few things I don't like about this vape, because especially when you had to lift and then basically move it, and then having to put the juice inside of this hole. I'm not trying to think dirty. I'm not. But you know what I mean. But it's just the screws in here, that was not easy to do. But I like this one. Especially my favorite color, blue. And teal looking right here on the bottom. You can even see the sky. But yeah, not bad at all. I also like this screen too. I do. I like it. But yeah, I wanted to do this video in the car, but the car is just not good right now. So I just needed to come out here to do a one quick video about the vape. So that's good. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like it. Subscribe as well, because I'm at 245 subs. I'm trying to get 300 subs. Ignore the background. But I mean, not bad at all. Not bad. Pulse mode 75,000, if that's even right, or 700 puffs. Regular mode 15,000 puffs, 50 whatever it says right here, if you guys can see that, 50 mg. It's 5 milligrams of nic. But yeah, I like it. It's nice. But go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment on the video on what you think of the Geek Bar vapes. Go ahead. Anyone that has ever tried these before, let me know what you think of it and stuff. But about the flavor, it tastes really good, which I will try to describe it. Tastes just like a Blue Mint Scorpio. I'm a Taurus. But yeah, flavor's good. It is. Other than that, thank you for watching this video. I know I posted a video like maybe 10 days ago, maybe more, longer than that, I don't know. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. Nice background, of course. But like, subscribe, comment what you guys think of the Geek Bar vapes. Peace.